Jasmine, I'm your activities officer, and as part of this Girl Can Week, I'm going to put myself out of my comfort zone, and I'm going to plan to attend at least one gym class every day for this week, and do a video blog and let you know how it goes, and just to prove to you that getting involved in sport is a really good thing. So, after my first class, I'm feeling nice and sweaty, a bit stiff, but I feel like I've worked hard, and was really good, and I'm definitely going to go tomorrow if I can move, which I'm sure I will, so keep an eye out for this. You'll probably see me very tired tomorrow and sort of walking very stiff around campus, but I will be doing it, so